In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your mouse cursor has disappeared and is not visible anywhere on your laptop screen. If moving the touchpad or mouse doesn't make the cursor appear, don't worry. Here's a simple fix you can try using only your keyboard. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Now type touchpad using your keyboard. Once touchpad settings appears in the search results, press Enter to open it. If your touchpad is turned off, you'll need to enable it. Press the Tab key repeatedly to move through the options on the screen. You'll notice a highlighted box moving between different settings. Keep pressing Tab until the touchpad toggle is selected. Once the touchpad option is highlighted, press the spacebar to turn it on. After enabling the touchpad, try moving your finger across the touchpad again. Your mouse cursor should now appear on the screen and start working normally. That's it. This is how you can fix a missing mouse cursor on your laptop using only the keyboard.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.